In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Udemy course progress. So, if you found yourself wanting to start fresh on a course, or simply reset your progress for a better learning experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in with the first step. Open your preferred web browser and search for Udemy. You can do this by typing Udemy into the search bar and hitting enter. This will take you to a search results page where you should see Udemy's official website. Click on it, and it will lead you directly to the home page. Getting to the Udemy site is the first step in resetting your course progress, and it's as easy as that. Now, you're on the Udemy homepage, and the next task is to select the course that you wish to update. You'll need to log into your account if you aren't already. Once logged in, navigate to My Learning, where you'll find a list of all your active courses. Take your time to browse through your courses and select the one that you want to reset. Just click on the course title, and it should open up the course's main page. When you're on the course page, take a look at the header section. Here, you'll find a progress meter indicating how much of the course you've completed. Now, to reset your progress, you'll need to manually unclink each completed item on the right sidebar of the course interface. This might seem a bit time-consuming, but it ensures precision in selecting exactly what you want to reset. Simply go through the list of completed lessons, quizzes, and assignments, unchecking them one by one. Just click on each item to mark it as incomplete, and this will gradually reduce your progress meter. Once you have gone through and unclicked every item in the course, you'll have successfully reset your course progress. It might take a bit of patience, especially if you have completed a significant portion of the course previously. However, this process ensures you're starting from scratch, ready to absorb the content anew. Remember, Udemy doesn't have an automatic reset feature, so this manual process is your best option for starting over with fresh eyes and a clean slate. And there you have it. Resetting your Udemy progress is a straightforward process. Starting from navigating to the Udemy site, selecting your desired course, and unclinking completed items, these simple steps will help you begin again. Whether it's to reinforce your knowledge or start fresh for a better educational journey, you've gained complete control over your learning path. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Good luck with your learning, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a quick reminder on how to reset your course progress in the future.